Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm beginning a new series on juicing. I'm going to be making some orange juice, apple juice, pineapple juice, some tropical juice and also some vegetable juice such as beetroot, kale and ginger. For the fruit juice, I've got a bowl of variety of fruits. I have oranges, kiwi, some bananas, apples, and I have pineapple, some tropical fruits such as mangoes and pawpaw, that's papaya. I have some vegetables like beetroot, some carrots, tomatoes and cucumbers. I have kale and I've got some lemons and ginger, plus I've got some herbs like mint for flavors and some parsley. To make apple juice, I have some apples and I'm going to use the electric juicer to make the apple juice. First, place the apple onto a chopping board. You can use knife to cut the apples all around the center. Remove the center of the apple and place the sliced apple onto a bowl. And if you have the apple slicer, you can also use it to slice the apples. Remove the core center with the seeds. I've got the apples sliced into smaller pieces and the core center that has the seed has been removed. Place the apples into the juicer and pour a little bit of water into the juicer to get some of the pour the juice into a glass to serve your apple juice. You know, I've used 4 apples for the glass of pure apple juice. Enjoy.